Hello, so now let's get started our lesson to Unit 3. So last video, I already told you that this week I'm going to take you to the Singapore, right? So now let's see that. Let me show you. Okay, so Unit 3 topic is summer holiday. Unit 3 ရဲ့ခေါင်းစဉ်လေးကတော့ summer holiday ဖြစ်ပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာ So let's see what we can learn there. Okay, some of we already learn about it. ကိုကလည်း self study တွေလုပ်နေလောက်ဆမတင်နာနေလိုက်တာတော့ကို self study လုပ်နေလောက်လို့ယုံကြည်ပါတယ် So three summer holidays and now we also have the winter holiday in some school or something like that. So let's see here. Wow, Singapore. Do you know this place? ဒီနေရာကိုသိပါလားဖေ။မြင်ကောမြင်ဘူးလား။မြင်ဘူးလားဆိုတာကစကားတွေထဲမှာပေါ့နော်။တချို့စကားတွေထဲမှာဆိုရင်ဒီဆက်လေးလိုလိုလှေကြီးလိုလိုလေးကဒီတိုက်ဆောက်အုံ၃ခုအပေါ်မှာတင်နေတာလေ။ဒါလေးကိုမြင်လိုက်တာနဲ့ဒါ Singapore လို့ကိုသိလို့ရတယ်ပေါ့နော်။ဒီဘက်ကဝီးပေါ့နော်ဒီလိုမျိုးပေါ့မြန်မာနိုင်ငံမှာခေါ်တာပါလေ။ချားလားရဟတ်လားမသိဗျာအဲ့ဒီဟာမျိုးလေးဆိုရင်မြင်တော့ဒါ Singapore လို့သတ်မှတ်လို့မရပါဘူးဆိုတော့ London မှာလည်းအဲ့လိုမျိုး London Eye ဆိုပြီးရှိတတ်တာဟုတ်ဗျာ That's why so let's look at Singapore let's learn about Singapore အကြောင်းကိုလေ့လာကြည့်အောင်ပါဗျာ Okay, Singapore's landmarks. The first one is, as usual, is reading. No, reading long maps yeah. And many landmark places in Singapore. There's a many landmark, not only in Singapore, in Myanmar, we also have many places, many landmark places. Landmark places is like Nino, Bule, and like Galo, and Taunji, and Nyamuni, like that. So landmark places, famous places in Singapore. Malayan Park is the most famous landmark and a major tourist attraction. Tourist attraction. So tourist attraction, I think you may know that one tourist attraction. So the park was designed by STB. What is STB? So S for Singapore, T for tourism, and B for board, and established on 25th April 2002. So now we are on 2022. So here is 2000. So how many years it was? Okay, so now do you know this place? Wow, so beautiful, nice, no? And Shugini yan la de. So here, this is the Singapore landmark. So now let's see what we're gonna know in the next paragraph. Malayan, a large mythical creature statue standing at a height of 28 feet, 8.6 meters, and spouts the water from its mouth, has a lion head and a fish body. Its name combines ma means sea and lion is a lion. Okay, the fish body represent the fish body represent Singapore's origin as a fishing village or fishing village, and the lion head represents Singapore originally Singapura, meaning lion city. There is no charge. There is no money. You do not need to give money to enter Malayan Park. Okay, so there is no charge to enter Malayan Park. So you do not need to give money to enter the Malayan Park. Like when we go to the zoo, Sidanabong Zoo in Manly, we have to give money, right, to enter the zoo. But here, there is no charge. There is no need to pay money to enter, to go inside Malayan Park. Free entry is very rare, 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 in Singapore. So Singapore မှာ free ဝင်လို့ရတဲ့နေရာတွေရမ်းရှားပါသေးတယ်ဗျာ but Malayan Park is free to enter. There is no charge. Okay, so I think you may know a little bit about Malayan. If you want to know more, I suggest you to search it at google.com. Yes, as Google you can find whatever you want to know. Yes, you know, I think. So now let's do some exercise concerned with that one. Let's do some exercise. Wow. The bold dot and the second one, do you remember that? The habits of reading. And the third one is the summer holiday. Now, here we have to do some exercise as usual. Use a dictionary. You have to use a dictionary to check the meaning of new words. So there's a 10 vocabs for you, but some of them you already know, but some very few you may not know at the time. Don't worry about it. You can use a dictionary and find those words. Okay, so these vocabs are very basic vocab concerned with travel items. Travel item နဲ့ပတ်သက်ပြီးတော့အရင် basic ဖြစ်တဲ့စကားလုံးလေးဖြစ်ပါတယ် So the first one is a backpack. The second one is passport. I think you may know that one. And 3 is luggage, because we Myanmar people call luggage, right? And 10, 5 sunglasses, 6 is a catch, and 7 is a sun cream, 8 is a cell phone, 9 is a toothbrush, and 10 is a toothpaste. There are some more things that we take, that we bring when we are traveling. ခီးသွားတဲ့ခါမှာတပည့်တော်တို့ယူတဲ့ဟာအများကြီးရှိသေးတယ်ဗျာဒါကလုံးဝ basic တပည့်တော်ပြောသလိုပဲလုံးဝ basic ကြတဲ့ travel items တွေကိုပြောပြထားတာဖြစ်တယ် So if you know all, you do not need to find in the dictionary, but make sure that you can explain those words in English. Backpack ကပါလေသိတယ်ကြောပိုးအိတ်လေဒါပေမဲ့အဲ့ဒီကြောပိုးအိတ်ကို how will you explain in English? English လို့ပြောပြပြီးရှင်းပြမလဲ That's why I suggest you, even though you know these words in Myanmar, I suggest you to find those words in English to English dictionary. English to English dictionary မှာလည်းထည့်ရှာဖို့တပည့်တော်က suggest ပေးချင်ပါတယ်ဗျာ And the last one for this video is what you have to do. You have to find the 8 travel items from the grid. So this table, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, D, အကုန်ရေးထားတဲ့ဒီဟာလေးကိုတပည့်တော်က GRID grid လို့ခေါ်ပါတယ်ဗျာ So from here you have to find the 8 travel items, which is very meaningful for you. So you have to find them and write it down in exercise book. Okay? That is all about the Singapore. And for this unit 3, I just need to post like grammar WA question and the writing post. So I just need that 2 more videos. So I suggest you to study well, and another teacher Sawinton will be continue from unit 4. Okay? Have a nice day. Bye-bye.